Hey dude, I found a treasure. Let's open it. Get your truck.
Jack, get the excavator.
I can rip it open.
What could be in there? What could be in there? Get in there, Nate Dog. What could it be? What could it be?
An excavator.
It's an excavator? I don't know, it's green. What could be green? Pull it out.
We have to dig it.
There's wheels. There's 4 big wheels. What is it?
It's a tractor.
Oh, it's a surprise underground tractor. Dump truck race.
Welcome to Jack Play.
What are we gonna do today, boys?
Dig with my cousin, Nate Dog.
Nate Dog. And guess what else we're gonna do, kids? We're gonna unbox these tractors.
Yeah.
All right, let's rip that thing open, Nate Dog. What is that? Do you know what that's called?
No.
Jack, what's it called?
A backhoe.
It's a backhoe. Let's rip into it. Jack, what kind of trucks are these? Are these Caterpillar?
No.
What are they?
John Deere.
John Deere, and they're green.
I've never seen a green backhoe.
Yeah, neither have I. Look at these twisty ties Nathan's trying to open. Wow, they're epic. I've got an idea, boys. Jack, rip into that other tractor. What is it?
I'm burying.
Oh, you're gonna bury it. Okay. You could start trying to open that thing.
I'm trying to make it dirtier.
Wow, look how dirty Jack got that tractor. All right, pull it on out. It's coming out. The green and yellow backhoe. Just one little twisty left on the end, a piece of plastic. All right. Dig in. That's its first scoop. Nice. Nate Dog, what do you think that orange lever does?
I know it.
Oh, these things make noise. Does it do anything besides make noise? I'm not sure. Jack, pull yours out now.